everybody, this is Tim Wolf. Today's subject is an update on 2020 performance in the US for consumption of music. I did talk a bit about this. I'm going to make a deep dive, and there's going to be graphs, there's going to be charts that'll help you understand exactly what's happening on the trends. I'm Tim Wolf. I'm a Nashville singer-songwriter, independent artist. There's a link down below in the description where you can listen to some of my music and you can pick up some of my merch. And I really appreciate it if you check that out. I got a new single coming out today when this video is going to be released, Crash and Burn. So check that out on all your streaming platforms, whatever your favorite streaming platform is. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos are uploaded. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. So the numbers are in for 2020, and streaming has shown a record growth of 17% year on year. Streaming now is mainly, the music business is the streaming business as far as recorded music goes. Streaming accounts for 84.3% of total music consumption in the US, and that's up 3% from last year. So streaming continues to gain a lion's share and more of the music consumption as people realize how convenient it is. Here's an interesting statistic that maybe you didn't know. How is a stream equated to a CD sale or a vinyl music sale or a download? And how, first of all, they equate 10 songs or 10 streams to equal one album. If you bought a single, if you downloaded it, or if you bought a physical single, how would that be equated to a stream? And the numbers are 1,250 paid on-demand streams equals one sale of a track, and 3,750 ad-supported streams. Like Spotify has two different tiers. You can either get it for free and have to listen to ads, or you can pay a premium of about $10 a month, depending on what area you're in. You can listen ad-free. The payout to the artist is greater for the tier when it's a subscription model. It takes 3 times as many unpaid streams to equal one paid stream. That's how Billboard figures it. Sales, which includes physical sales and downloads, shrank from 18.2% last year to 15.8%. In last year, half were physical sales and the other half were downloads. Vinyl sales continues to explode. As far as physical sales go, vinyl went up 46% last year to 27.5 million units. It's growing almost 50% a year. CDs fell by 26% to only 40.1 million units. Album downloads sold 34.4 million copies, down 12.5%. So downloads aren't decreasing as fast as physical sales are. But in general, it's all going towards streaming, except for vinyl. The most popular album of the year as measured by consumption was Lil Baby's My Turn with 2.6 million units. Roddy Ricch's The Box was the top selling song with 1.3 billion on-demand streams. 1.3 billion, that's a lot. And Taylor Swift was a top selling album as far as physical sales. Hip hop is continuing to grow its percentage of the total market. You can take a look at these charts here and you can see that from 2016 to 2020, hip hop went from about 1 million to 2 million, more than doubled the audio consumption for hip hop. You can see the diagram at the bottom. The green is the on-demand streaming, and physical sales is a burgundy, and digital album sales, and then digital single sales. And Latin is showing significant growth from a low bar. Country, not as significant, but you can see the charts right there. And here's a chart that'll show you, a pie chart that'll show you how it breaks down. And you can see that R&B hip hop went from 21%, almost 22% of the market in 2016 to 28% in 2020. And what lost out? Rock went from 27 to 20. Rock is less popular. So rock is down to just 1/5 from 1/4 to 1/5. And Latin has grown from 2.5% to 4.4%. So Latin is growing from a small base. Country has also decreased as a percentage. It was 9.4 in 2016, and it's down now to 8.6% of the market share by genre. So when it comes to what record labels are doing the best, UMG, Universal Music Group, has a lead, and actually 69, almost 70% of the Billboard 200 top albums were from Universal Music Group. And for example, Taylor Swift is with Republic, which is part of the Universal Music Group. So they're dominating as far as the top albums on the Billboard 200. But independents are going really well. Independents, non-major, well, the majors would be the three, which would be Sony, Universal, and Warner. Independents are 37% of the market, 37.3%. And they're growing, up 50 basis points from 2017. So a lot of interesting trends. Rap, hip hop is growing, taking a bigger piece of the pie. Rock is decreasing. Latin is growing from a small base. Independents are doing well. Streaming is just continuing to take over the consumption of markets, except for vinyl, which is growing and at 50% a year. So that's the summary for the consumption of the recorded music business in the US from 2020. And I hope you enjoyed this summary. Please leave me comments down below what you liked, what you would like me to talk about for future videos, and we'll see you next time. Hey everybody, this is Tim Wolf. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please go to the link down below in the description. There's a Bitly link. Listen to my music at Spotify. I appreciate it very much. It means a lot to an artist if you follow them. If you would be kind enough to like the video if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Finally, be sure to subscribe. And also there are other videos on this screen that you can watch. And I'll see you next time. Thank you so much.